Hi everyone. I hope everyone listening to me right now is in a high life condition. I'm sure you must have heard this term Namyoho Ringekyon through your friends, family, or even social media, but you really do not know what it is. Today we'll be understanding 8 different topics in order to know what Namyoho Ringekyon is. Let's begin with the history. Siddhartha Gautam, or commonly known as the Buddha, was a philosopher, a meditator, a spiritual teacher, and a religious leader who lived in ancient India. He is known as the founder of the world religion of Buddhism. His teachings are based on his insight into suffering and the end of suffering. Because he understood the law of life, he is known as the awakened one or the enlightened one. Shakyamuni or the Buddha spent all his life in search of the reasons of suffering and how he can free people from suffering. Shakyamuni or the Buddha spent many years of his life in search of the reasons of suffering and how he can free people from the inevitable pain caused from those suffering. Shakyamuni or the Buddha discovered that the capacity to transform suffering or the potential to gain enlightenment was already inherited within his own life. Therefore, he understood that this potential or this capacity is also inherited within all living beings. As we all know, there are various teachings by Shakyamuni. Shakyamuni preached all of his teachings to his followers. The disciples of Buddha then adapted all of these teachings into their lives. As we all are aware of the fact that there are different types of Buddhism and there are different Buddhist schools, the differentiation is a result of the perception or the teaching that they have adapted. The sole aim of all these teachings is to gain enlightenment. So, out of all these teachings, one such teaching by Shakyamuni or the Buddha is the Lotus Sutra, the strategy of the Lotus Sutra, which in Japanese is rendered as Myoho Renge Kyo. That is how the Lotus Sutra was originated by the Shakyamuni. Moving ahead, let's know what Nichiren Daishonin Buddhism is and who was Nichiren Daishonin. Nichiren Daishonin was a 13th century Japanese monk who, in search of the essence of Buddhism, declared that the heart of Shakyamuni's enlightenment is to be found in the Lotus Sutra. This Lotus Sutra encapsulates the mystic law or truth to which the Buddha had awakened. Nichiren defined this law as Nam-myoho Renge Kyo. Nichiren Daishonin Buddhism is a branch of Mahayana Buddhism. The most essential aspect of this Buddhism is the undertaking the practice of chanting Nam-myoho Renge Kyo, accompanied by selected recitals of Lotus Sutra and study of Nichiren writings, which are known as Gosho. The heart of Nichiren Daishonin Buddhism is to believe that all human beings are the Buddhas, therefore have the potential to attain Buddhahood and to eradicate sadness and suffering and to become a person of supreme happiness while attaining enlightenment. You do not have to give up on your religious beliefs that you are brought up with. This is a practice. The enlightenment is attained by chanting Nam-myoho Renge Kyo. And what do we mean by Nam-myoho Renge Kyo? Since all the human beings have the capability and the unlimited potential within themselves to attain Buddhahood, therefore they can overcome any hardship, difficulty or problems in life. By chanting Nam-myoho Renge Kyo, we activate this potential within ourselves. So let's understand the meaning of Nam-myoho Renge Kyo. First, Nam. Nam is to dedicate or devote oneself. To what? devoting or dedicating oneself to the wonderful or the mystic law of cause and effect. Myo is the mystic or wonderful, Ho is the law. Which law? The law of cause and effect. The reason it is mystic is because it is beyond our intellect to understand. Renge literally means the lotus flower. As we all know, lotus is a flower that grows in a muddy water and it becomes pure and fragrant. Therefore, the beauty and dignity of a life is brought forth amidst the suffering of the daily reality. So, we all are living in a world of suffering and we have to emerge like that lotus flower. Kyo literally means the sutra, and here it indicates the mystic law of the Lotus Sutra. So, whenever I'm saying Namyoho Renge Kyo, it's like I'm dedicating or devoting myself to the wonderful law of cause and effect, or I'm devoting myself to the mystic law of the Lotus Sutra. Namyoho Renge Kyo is thus like a vow, like a promise, like a determination that I embrace and manifest my Buddha nature. I will bring forth my compassion and wisdom which will solve my issues, and once they do, I'm going to start the chain of helping as many people as I can. This is again understanding the meaning of Namyoho Renge Kyo but in a deeper sense. Everyone has the power of attaining Buddhahood or enlightenment. We are awakened to this power of ourselves by chanting Namyoho Renge Kyo. And by awakening, it makes us achieve happiness and fulfill our problems in prayers. By inculcating the practice of chanting Namyoho Renge Kyo on a daily basis is a practical way to transform our lives. We can attain Buddhahood or enlightenment within our respective form. So we do not have to quit our jobs, we do not have to quit the religious beliefs that we are brought up with, we do not have to give up on anything. We can just attain enlightenment by being in a respective form. For example, I am a Hindu. I follow all the rituals that are there in Hinduism. I go to temples, I perform fasting. At the same time, I practice Nichiren Daishonin Buddhism. I do not have to change myself. People who practice Nichiren Daishonin Buddhism do not idolize Nichiren Daishonin. We just simply imbibe his teachings into our daily lives for our betterment. Understanding karma is our fifth topic of discussion. Ho in Namyoho Renge Kyo is the law of cause and effect, commonly known as karma. Every action has a reaction or a consequence, which is why we say we reap what we sow. Karma can be both positive and negative. So, the good things happening in our lives right now are a result of the good deeds that we have created in the past. However, the bad things, or rather the difficulties or the problems, are a result of the negative karma created by us. Therefore, by chanting Namyoho Renge Kyo, one can expiate the effects of negative karma in his life. Expiate here means to make amends or repair. So, by chanting Namyoho Renge Kyo, we can reduce the effects that the negative karma is going to cause in our lives. I'm sure we all have come across a situation wherein we asked ourselves questions like, why is this happening to me? What did I do to deserve it? It's happening again. It's so annoying. So Nichiren Daishonin Buddhism helps us to understand how we can take charge of our karma and we can break out from it. Sixth point of discussion is to understand the benefits of chanting Namyoho Renge Kyo, or what happens exactly once we chant Namyoho Renge Kyo. The mystic law transforms the life, for betterment, for good. It is the life-changing philosophy. Second, just like the lotus flower, we can all become pure and fragrant. The third and the fourth point focuses on the activation of the unlimited potential that we have. So by chanting Namyoho Renge Kyo, we tap on to that unlimited potential within ourselves. It is a practice whereby one holds oneself responsible for one's fate, not just the destiny waiting for us, but the one that we can create for ourselves. Thus, you can unlock your highest potential. You can break out from any negative karma. You can expiate your karma. Practitioners testify that while chanting Namyoho Renge-kyo, they have had positive experiences, they have manifested their desires and prayers. How do you chant? So you sit in the most comfortable position, either on the floor or on a chair or on the bed. Just face a blank wall. The reason why you face a blank wall is to not get distracted by the decorative items on the wall. This will ensure your focus. Start chanting Namyoho Renge-kyo in a voice that is audible to you, in a speed that is comfortable to you. Also, I will be sharing a link in the description box wherein you can see the exact way the practitioners chant. How to get connected. See, if you want to chant in your room at your house, it's completely fine. But if you wish to chant with fellow members in a group or get connected, you can become a member of SGI, Soka Gakkai International. Every country has its own. Every country, Brazil, India, Australia, UK, US, every country has its own organization of regulating this practice. These are the 3 presidents of Soka Gakkai International: Sunisaburo Makiguchi first, second Josai Toda, third and the current Daisaku Ikeda. If you already know somebody from your circle who is in their practice, you can surely get connected to them. If you do not know anyone, I would suggest you to put a WhatsApp story or a WhatsApp status link wherein you can ask for some connection, and I'm sure there will be somebody in your contact list who is already a member. Now, if this thing also doesn't work out, please let me know. I will see and try my level best to help you out. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please share it with somebody who you know wants to chant, or who wants to know about this practice, who wants to know more about Namyoho Renge-kyo, or even if you want to shakabuku or introduce anybody, you can surely take the help of this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.